Hi, this is Amy. Welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet star, and you can use it and turn it into a barrette. You can use medium worsted to fine yarn. I used an F hook, but you could go down one hook size if you like to make it small enough for a barrette. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a video down below on how to do so. Also, if you are a beginner, there are beginner stitches for a playlist for that. Start with a magic circle. If this is your first time, there is a video down below on how to do that. Slip knot into it. After the slip knot, then you're going to double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the ring. And then grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. This yarn was just a little tricky to work with. It was really loose, but I loved the color, so I wanted to use it. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops again. And then chain 2, and then work a double crochet again. Then slip stitch, grab the yarn, and then pull through, and then work a double crochet. You'll need 5 points for this star. And then chain 2, and then work a double crochet again. And then slip stitch, and then the rest is all repeat to create each point of the star. So you'll double crochet again. And then chain 2, and then double crochet, and then slip stitch. Then repeat that 2 more times for the star points. Now you're going to pull it closed. Now take your yarn and pull it through, and then you will take your yarn needle and yarn and sew it in to the beginning stitch. Now weave in your ends in just the back a couple of times, and then keep your tails so you can use them for your barrette if you like to make a barrette with a star. take both tails and you're going to take them inside of the barrette and then tie it in the back of the barrette to secure it. So on both sides, take in your tails, and then in the back around that clasp of the barrette, you are going to tie it a couple of times to secure it. And if you really want to secure it, you can do it 3 times, and you can also use a glue gun to make the top of it stay because it might still be a little loose. Now the star barrette is complete. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed this star tutorial. This looks so cute in my daughter's hair and she really liked it. Thank you for watching.